In museums and art spaces, people tend not to think about how much labor or work is involved in keeping something like a painting or an artifact appear to be unchanging over time. We have to control temperature, we have to control humidity, and that can be quite energy intensive. I run the Center for Sustainable Curating, and what we do there is we come up with alternatives to the norms with regards to sustainability. We compile these ideas into guides and toolkits that can be shared across the sector. Using the resources at hand, sustainable exhibition design is a guide which gives tips on how to curate less environmentally impactful exhibitions. Some of my work has to do with trying to lessen the use of plastics. For example, a lot of the labeling and signage in museums is made from vinyl. We developed a kind of label that uses paper and starch paste, and it's entirely compostable. Well, museums and collections are really looking for these kinds of solutions and working together. The sector as a whole has shifted pretty dramatically in the last 5 years. Small actions can add up to huge changes. I'd like to see thought going into every step of the process of putting an exhibition together, from selecting the artist to thinking about shipping, to enable change within museums, and then also to give people visiting the museums tips on how they can make change in their lives as well.